I would recommend SVI to students getting into film because it's a great way to get a foot in the door, to meet people, and then just to know a little bit more coming in, knowing what it's going to be like, and just having that extra experience. It really helps.
I really learned how to better my script writing and my filming abilities, stuff that I didn't really do too well with in high school, but it helped me get better at it to a point where I was able to bring it back to my school and actually almost help my teacher teach it.
So what we learned in SVI is camera operation, how to do sound, lighting, as well as using editing softwares.
I had an overall great experience. It was very good to work with people who are like-minded in my career goals.
The best parts are getting to meet people, and it's just a great introduction into film in general.
I would definitely go to SVI again.